2024 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and turn them into delicious dishes. This year I've gone a little bit French, or un petit peu French. For the zone of interest, we have the Dome of Intartest, an apple honey meringue tart. Zone of Interest was a movie I want nobody to see and everybody to see. It was such an incredible take on a time in the world that actually happened. There was this officer. His family lived in the house that abutted Auschwitz. And they lived like the horrors going on the other side of the wall weren't happening. When it came to creating a dish for this movie, I didn't want to glorify the movie per se. I didn't want to make something and say, hey, that great movie, let's make this delicious thing to commemorate those horrible people. It occurred to me, it's not about the subjects of the movie, it's about the subjects you barely see in the movie. What better thing to do than to honor all the people on that side of the wall? Create a dish that would be shared and delighted in at Rosh Hashanah, an apple honey tart. I've added the meringue because I wanted something that showed the darker parts are up and away from the sweetness underneath. I couldn't be more delighted in how this came out. It is sweet. This pie is delicate, delicious. Enjoy. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.